startup on the QX56 with the Stillen Exhaust and the headers. This is George's 2009 QX56. We did a few things to it. First thing is we did the Stillen dual exhaust out the back. The nice fat chrome tip says Stillen on it. And it gives you nice dual pipes out the back. Nice sound. He also did in the front the Stillen air intake. The big black box. And then way down there, those nice shiny pipes are the Stillen Headers. Stock is 320 horsepower, 390 foot-pounds of torque. Modified, approximately 400 horsepower, 460 foot-pounds of torque. Drives and sounds amazing.